everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather in there, you get some life. Wyatt's joining me. He's the white puppy dog. If you see a tan puppy dog, that's Xana. She's in pretty much retirement mode at this point. And then if you see a kitty, that's Harvey. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So it's a snowy Sunday morning I'm waking up to. It is 17 degrees outside. It's getting up to only 25. I think this is going to be the temperatures here for a little bit. So I chose all comfy cozies, the first thing I could think of this morning, because I do have some stuff I need to get done. And then tomorrow's going to be here before I know it, and off to work I go. So I chose Varley joggers from a JB Stylebox. I have on a Nikibiki tank, also from a JB Stylebox. Threw on this really pretty Daydreamer cardigan that I got in a Wantable. It wants to fall off my shoulders here, as you can see. But it's super soft, very luxurious, just like super cute. And put on my tennies. You've seen these before, Dolce Vita little slip-ons. And for jewelry, I put on my mom's necklace and hoop earrings, and I'm set for my day. Okay, well, Wyatt and I are going to get to it. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Monday, time for outfit of the day, and it is a cold one. So it's 26 degrees. That's the high. Snow, 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 all snow. All the schools are closed. It's still snowing now. So we probably have about 6 inches, I would say. And we're supposed to get more snow, I think, today and tomorrow. So Wyatt likes the snow, though. He's good. Oh, buddy. We're still monitoring the paw. It's a little bit better, it seems, but it's not back to perfect yet. And my Stitch Fix posted today. My stylist did a great job. Love Janina. She always does an amazing job. This one was a hard one for me because it easily could have been a 5 for 5. However, the Evolution by Cyrus, the 2-pocket Cardigan, the pockets kept sticking out. They were driving me crazy. So I decided not to keep that. And when I decided not to keep that one, it wasn't a 5 for 5. So I ended up keeping 3. I kept the green cardigan that you all loved. I love that one too. It was so cute. I did keep the barrel leg jean because the price was really good and they were so comfy. And I kept the brown zip up cardigan as well that was so soft, like that little sweater jacket. I kept that one. So I sent back the green cardigan, and I sent back the Vince Camuto V-neck sweater. I think that's the second one they sent me. I don't know, something about that one. I think it's the seam down the front I don't love, but so I sent those 2 back. And let's talk about today's outfit. For today, I have on Liverpool denim. I believe these are from a JB Stylebox. I have on a limited t-shirt. I don't know if you guys remember this from the limited. This is one of their like regular t-shirts they would have every year. I love this scoop neck tee, but it is from the limited. So how old is this shirt? But I love it. And then I paired a cardigan from Sanctuary that I got from Evereve over top of it. This one's cute because it has like the utility pockets and satin on the side. And then the rest is sweater. So for shoes, I did boots, of course, because it's snowy outside. These are my Dolce Vitas. And for jewelry, I have some on my gold hoops. I have on a Ana Luisa necklace and my mom's necklace and my bracelet stack. I'm ready for the day. All right, I'm going to get back to work. I hope you're warm. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for out of the day. Continues to snow. Continues to be cold. 22. It's lovely outside. Happy New Year, right? And there's snow covering everything. Luckily, I think schools were open today, so they weren't closed, at least. So smidgen better. And today's my son's birthday. He turns 22. He's such an adult. I love him so much. Anyway, for outfit of the day today, I have on Good American denim, an Evereve sweater. You may remember from my Trendsend. Put on Blondo boots. These are waterproof, so if I have to go outside, I'm not going to get my feetsies wet. And then for a jacket, my Loft suede moto. For jewelry, I have on Ana Luisa, my hoops from Rocksbox, and my bracelet stack. I'm ready to go. All right, that was a quick one. I got to get back to work. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Wednesday. We made it to hump day. Time for outfit of the day. Wyatt's joining me. Wyatt and Harvey went to the vet yesterday, and Wyatt's knee was out of its socket. So she popped it back in, thinks he's going to be okay. He's on anti-inflammatories right now. So he's running around. He jumped up here on his own. It's really hard to keep him still. So I think she thinks he's going to be fine. So that's good news. Harvey, we took because I didn't know when my father-in-law had taken him to the vet. Apparently it was a few months before he passed. And Harvey weighed 16 pounds then because my father-in-law used to feed him nothing but treats all the time. So now he's down to she called it a hefty or beefy 12 pounds. So he's not obese anymore. He's just beefy. And he has he's been losing some fur, which is what we were concerned about. And she feels that he is, it's an allergy of some sort. So we'll see. They put him on some medicine as well. And hopefully he is fine. So that was an adventure yesterday. We took both Wyatt and Harvey at the same time, and they did so well. Both of them did so well. And let's see, for my posting today was my Armoire video. Was that not such a good one? Those pieces were so good. I love Armoire for getting like those really fun statement pieces that you want to give a try and maybe don't always want to keep, but you want to make sure you have some really fun, vibrant pieces to try. I did keep the blue jacket. Like, yes. I loved it so much, and the price was pretty good. So I absolutely, definitely kept that one. All right, so for outfit of the day today, I have on Paige denim that I kept from an Armoire, and a top from Free People. I like this one. It kind of has the funky arms and then the thumb holes. For shoes, I have on Sam Edelman. How fun are these? Booties. And I grabbed a vest. You may remember this one. This one is the reversible vest that I got in a JB Stylebox. For jewelry, I have on my Zodiac sign necklace. I have on hoop earrings. These are from Ana Luisa. And that's pretty much it. All right, I got to get back to work. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday already. Time for outfit of the day. And Wyatt's decided not to join me today. I'm not sure where he is. I have on an, for the most part, Armoire outfit. The DL 1961 denim from Armoire. The top I have on is from Varley. I love the little thumb holes right now because it's a little chilly. Topped it off with this jacket. I'm in love with this jacket. This is the reversible jacket from Tart, and it does not fit me perfectly. So I'm not going to be able to keep this one. I wanted a small, but there is nothing available. This one's an extra small. So when I try to zip it around the waist, it's super tight. The rest of it fits really nice. So bummed. But anyway, I'm going to wear it today because I love it before I send it back. And then for shoes, I put these fun Dolce Vita H2O booties on because we still have a ton of snow on the ground, like a ton. And it is snowing more. And it is only 12 degrees outside, so nothing is going to warm up soon and melt. So I'm going with boots with some traction. For jewelry, I have on a necklace from a Curateur and then just hoop earrings, and that's it. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're warm and safe. My heart goes out to everyone in California impacted by these horrific fires. It's just, the news just gives me heart palpitations, the whole thing. It's terrible. I pray everybody is safe and thinking about everybody. I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It's Friday. We made it. We made it to Friday. What do you think, Wyatt? What do you think? It is so cold out. I don't think Wyatt can feel it, though, huh? You don't mind the quiet. And he also loves to dance. All right, so it is cold out. Let's see, 22. High of 24 today. So the cold streak continues. And for outfit of the day today, I chose Paige denim. I have on a Free People thermal top with the fun little thumb holes. Put on a Dylan blazer. You may remember this was from my Anthropologie haul. And for shoes, my Sam Edelman booties again. You saw those earlier this week. So comfortable, and the heel is just perfection. And then I have on earrings from White House Black Market, and Ana Luisa necklace, and my celestial sign, zodiac sign here, necklace as well. That's my outfit today. So let's see. I went to go see my dad yesterday. He's doing really, really well. And I think that Wyatt is not limping as much, so I think he's getting better. Harvey seems to have recovered from his vet visit, so I feel like everyone's just getting back in the groove. I'll catch you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It is first thing in the morning. I'm headed to a hair appointment. Wyatt is here. Can you see him? There's his little nose. Harvey's in the room, actually. Here, buddy. Can you say hi to everybody? Oh, you're being such a good boy. See, there he is. He's doing good, huh? There you are. Such a good kitty. And we woke up to more snow today. Lots of snow. I can hear the plows out there now. It is 19 degrees. It's only getting up to 27. It's winter. It is winter. And my jacket haul posted today. I hope you check it out. It is such a fun one for me because you all know how much I love jackets and how much I need them living in Pennsylvania where it's cold most of the time, except for in the summer. So we get chilly days then. So check that haul out and let me know what your favorites were. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I have on Good American denim, an Evereve top with the thumb holes. I'm on a thumb hole kick this week. And I got this in a Trendsend. Paired it with a jacket from Express. You may have seen this. Well, you've definitely seen it before. I think even maybe this year. I love this one. It's just a cozy. And for shoes, I have on Kork-ease. These were from a Trendsend. And for jewelry, I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, a necklace that my friend got me, my best friend, and then hoop earrings. And I think I am ready to go. Okay, that's a wrap on this week's outfits. I will list all of them down below. If I can, I will link directly to an item. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know the boxes and put the links for them also down below. And I can't wait to hear what your favorites were. So please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.